Now I'm using the Kärcher K7 on low power, okay? And that's connected to the siphoning tube, because if you want low power, best to use the siphoning action. If it comes straight off the tap, it's too powerful.
Use a bike-specific detergent or the Karcher foam attachment to loosen stubborn dirt. Let it sit for a few minutes.
That's the Karcher K7 gun with a metal bar, and I've got the end off the works hydro shot here. So let's get rid of this mud. It should come off easy.
Using a Kärcher pressure washer with a suction tube to clean an e-bike can be quite effective, but it requires care to avoid damaging sensitive components. The K models delivers powerful cleaning performance. This is great for stubborn dirt, but risky for delicate parts like bearings, seals, and electronic components on an e-bike. The K models allows you to adjust the pressure, which is essential for cleaning an e-bike without causing damage. If you're using a water source, like a bucket or tank, the suction tube is convenient. However, the water flow might not be as strong as when connected to a pressurized water supply. Use a wide spray or the soft setting to avoid concentrated high-pressure blasts that could harm the bike.
But even the caliper's full of mud. Where I get off easy enough.
Keep the nozzle at least 30 centimeters, 12 inches away from the bike.
Look at that, so easy.
Use a bike-specific detergent or the Karcher foam attachment to loosen stubborn dirt. Use the pressure washer on a low setting for a final rinse. Pay attention to hard-to-reach areas, but avoid prolonged pressure on joints or seals.
Under my seat, it's just chock-a-block full of crap.
Wipe down the bike with a clean cloth and allow it to air dry completely before reattaching the battery or turning on electronics.
To get that water out of there, alright? So get your blower in, or an air gun. You can do the same thing, just get that water out. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget, there's a link up there if you want to buy me a copy. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!